In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message using Microsoft Teams, an essential tool for facilitating communication in both work and educational settings. Let's dive in and master this simple yet powerful communication feature. To begin, open your favorite web browser and navigate to teams.microsoft.com. This step is crucial as it takes you directly to where you can manage your Teams activities. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, so make sure you have a valid email ready. Signing in links your messages, projects, and files with your overarching Microsoft ecosystem, ensuring seamless collaboration. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a user-friendly interface that provides two main options for sending messages. These options are Chat and Teams. If your intention is to send a message directly to an individual or a small group of people, you'll want to choose Chat. On the other hand, if you're trying to communicate within a broader context like a team or department, selecting Teams to message within a specific channel is your best bet. Understanding this distinction will help you figure out the most efficient way to deliver your message and reach your intended audience. After you've chosen the Chat or Teams option, it's time to actually compose your message. Begin by selecting either the chat or the channel you wish to engage with. You'll find the message box conveniently located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you're free to type out your message just as you would in an email or a traditional messaging app. Be concise, but make sure your communication is clear, especially in professional settings. Adding emojis or GIFs judiciously can also bring a personal touch to your messages, but always consider your audience to maintain professionalism where necessary. When you're satisfied with your message, there's one simple step left to take. Press Enter. That's it. Your message is sent instantly, reaching your chosen person or group without delay. This instant delivery is one of the key benefits of using Microsoft Teams. It's straightforward and efficient, making it easy to maintain a consistent flow of communication, whether you're working on team projects or simply catching up with colleagues. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily send messages on Microsoft Teams, enhancing collaboration and keeping communication lines open and active. Remember, effective communication is the backbone of successful teams and projects. With these skills in hand, you're well on your way to becoming more proficient in navigating the digital workspace offered by Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and happy messaging!